In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on DNSSEC in GoDaddy. If you want to add an extra layer of protection to your domain, turning on DNSSEC is a smart step. DNSSEC helps protect your domain's DNS records from being tampered with, which can improve trust and security for your website. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting inside your GoDaddy account and how to enable it. To begin, open the GoDaddy website in your browser. Once the site loads, make sure you're signed in to the account that manages your domain. Since account dashboards can sometimes look slightly different depending on updates, just focus on the main navigation options I mention, and you should be able to follow along easily. After you're on the GoDaddy website, go to your profile area. This is usually found toward the top of the page, where you can access your account settings and account-related options. Click on your profile to open the menu. From there, select My Products. This will take you to the section where all the domains and services connected to your account are listed. If you have more than one product in your account, take a moment to make sure you're working with the correct domain before continuing. Next, click DNS. This will open the DNS management area for your domain, where settings like records, name servers, and advanced domain options are managed. This is an important section, so move carefully and avoid changing anything unrelated if you only want to enable DNSSEC. Once you're inside the DNS area, click DNS again if needed to enter the full DNS management page. Depending on how GoDaddy is displaying your domain controls, this second click may bring you into the detailed settings page where the DNSSEC option is available. Now, locate DNSSEC. Scroll through the page if necessary and look for the DNSSEC section in the domain settings area. It may be listed as a separate security-related option, so just take your time and find the correct label. When you see it, click the DNSSEC option and then simply click Turn on DNSSEC. After that, GoDaddy will begin enabling it for your domain. In some cases, changes may not appear instantly, so give it a little time if needed. And that's it. You've successfully turned on DNSSEC in GoDaddy. Before leaving the page, it's always a good idea to confirm that the setting now shows as enabled. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.